Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on disappearing messages on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on the disappearing messages on WhatsApp, first open up the WhatsApp and open the chat box of the person with whom you want to messages to be disappeared. And after opening the chat box, at the top of the screen, tap on their name, and over here scroll down until you can see there is the disappearing messages option available for us. Tap on that disappearing messages and you will be able to choose a timer until when you want to those messages to be disappeared. So generally it's 24 hours, and after that the disappearing messages on WhatsApp will be turned on. And with that being said guys, until the time you choose, the message will be disappeared after that. And that being said guys, this is how to turn on the disappearing messages on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.